Hey you guys, happy 4th of July. So, y'all, I'm just first let me confess, I set up everything correctly, but y'all, I forgot to turn my mic on. So that's why you're getting a voiceover. All right, so as you can see, my scenery has changed in the background. But y'all, I just want to say happy 4th of July. I wanted to bring you guys a video. And y'all, anything I don't mention in this video doing this voiceover will be linked down below in the description box, or if not linked, it'll be mentioned. I'm showing you guys this big old body sponge that I'm using from Ulta Beauty collection. This is what I'm going to be using to apply my face today. So, y'all, I was just telling y'all about where my vanity mirror was and everything, where I'll be looking. Currently showing you guys the little makeup tint I'm using or I've been using lately. Y'all, there's been a lot. Okay, so basically, like I said, whatever I don't mention and whatever I don't show y'all will be listed down below in the description box. So life has just been getting away from me, you guys, where I started an online store. I'm currently dating and working with my online products. I'll leave a link down below if any of you guys are interested in the store. But yeah, I've been working on my online store. I have also been, it's life. Yeah, it's the summertime. I'm about to teach my oldest son how to drive, guys. I am not ready for that part of my life. I'm really not. So, there's just been a lot going on. At the same time, I am blessed in so many ways. Um, you guys, I really wish I would have turned my mic on because I was sharing a lot of stuff with you guys. But I'll re-share with you guys in another video. Guys, I have missed putting on makeup. I have missed coming on and talking to you guys. Like, oh my goodness, I could think of so much I could share right now with you guys. But I know I'm going to share with you guys in another video. But yes, I just wanted to show you guys this very, very light coverage summer glowy makeup look for someone like me who has oily combination skin. So I know you guys see me looking in two different directions just because I have my big vanity mirror directly in front of me, and then off to the side where I end up looking the most at, I do have a small little handheld vanity mirror that I am using as well. Y'all, I just got so much to say, but I'm going to let you guys enjoy this video, and I'm going to go ahead and say thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There will be another one coming out shortly. Let me know what you guys think about this makeup look. Like, it's super simple, super easy, very lightweight, summer ready. Just y'all out here in Texas, y'all, we haven't even hit 100 degrees yet, and I'm waiting for that. I'm waiting, but I'm not waiting. I don't want it to come. I know it is. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye.